How to automatically generate a logo for your business quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can generate a logo for your business in under 10 minutes. So let's get into it. Now, all you need for this is to go onto the platform called taylorbrands.com. So taylorbrands.com provides you with a free to use logo maker, and all you need to do is enter your logo name to get started. So they will provide you with color schemes and different options to customize your logo later on as well. So you can generate a logo, and then if you like it, you can customize it further to even make it more so your own. So to get started, just click on the logo maker, and this will be your home screen. So just enter a logo name. Let's say that we have a company called a Freckle. So let's say our company is Freckle, and let's say that our tagline is skincare for everyone. And or maybe we want to make it something else. So let's say it's skin specialist, and now we're just going to click on create logo over here, and you can leave the tagline if you don't have one, and if you want to add it, then you can add it. And now we're just going to continue on over here. We're just going to enter however you found Taylor Brands. Now after that, you are going to choose what you are offering. So if this is a physical product, a service, anything in leisure and hospitality, original content, technology, or software, or other. So you can choose to skip this or not. We're going to add material goods because we're providing, skincare items. Now you can enter your industry, so it will be skincare. So we're just going to add skincare, and then you can add a description as well to better illustrate your website or to better illustrate your business. You can enter a small description. We're just going to skip this for now because we really don't need to add that. Now you can choose what kind of logo type you want. So if you want your entire brand name to be displayed in your logo, if you just want the initial of your brand name, such as we're going with Freckles, so if you just want, F and then a design, or if you want it to be icon based, so it could use anything as, the icon for your business. So let's say that I just want to go on ahead and build a icon based logo. Now after that, you can search for a icon or pick a geometric shape. So we're going to continue with a geometric shape, and we're just going to use this shape over here, or this one, this one, this one. Yeah, I think these three are good enough. So after that, you're just going to click on next over here. And once you click on next, you can just choose any kind of textile that you like. So let's say we want to go with this kind of textile. You can pick any of these styles. They have all different kinds of styles. So they have this, thin styles, they have retro styles, the classy ones, they have the simple, elegant, delicate ones, as well as trendy styles in logos as well. So you can pick any kind of font style that you like. There are so many options, and I'm just going to pick this one. So I'm going to pick this one as my number one option, this as my second, and a delicate one as my third. So once you have three font options selected, you're just going to click on next over here. And once you click on next, your logo will begin designing. So they will design your logo, they will create, business cards, and they will show you guys exactly how, if you had hired a professional to build your logo, what it's going to look like. So you just need to sign up to see your logo options. I'm just going to continue with Google over here to begin viewing my options for logos. So this is the first option. You can see it's Freckle Skin Specialist. This is what it's going to look like. The overall website appearance that they are suggesting, as well as merchandise, social media posts. So you can customize this as well. So if you like most of the design, but you just want to change a couple of elements, you can do that as well. Now you can see on the left side of your screen, you're going to find other options as well. So you can see they have created multiple different combinations for you. So this is the second option. So this is our second logo option that they have created. And then this is the third logo option. This is the fourth logo option. This is the fifth one, sixth one, and the seventh one over here, the eighth one, the ninth logo option. So you can see there are quite a few different options, and you can even click on see more over here. And once you click on see more, you will be able to see more logo options as well. So you can see over here that once you click on see more, you can add more logo options and they will show you multiple different options. So you can see we have so many different options, and once you pick the logo that you like, I personally like the first logo option a lot. So once you pick out that option, you can just click on love it or customize. So I'm going to click on customize over here, and from here you can further customize the logo. So you can change the font style. You can also change the basic shape that it is in. So let's say I want to make it like this, and then below that you also have your color palettes that you can pick out. So you can pick out any kind of color palette of your choice. So they have so many different suggested options that you can pick from, and I'm just going to pick out a different color palette because I like the logo, but the color scheme is a bit too dark for the kind of brand that I want, the branding that I want. So I will pick out a different color palette for it, and I think this looks pretty nice. And below that you have your saved section, so any logos that you have saved, they will be present over here. So you can see this is the font, this is the tagline font, and I'm going to change the tagline font into this one to further customize. And once I have changed the tagline font, so you can see this is what the logo is currently looking like, and then you have your text section. So you can choose your initials, you can change your tagline text later on as well, and you can also increase or decrease the size of the tagline. So let's say I want to make it smaller, I will just make it smaller like so. And once you have done all of these customizations, you can just click on finish over here, and you can click on I'm finished. And now you can just download your logo, and then you can begin uploading it on your social media platforms or on your website, whatever it might be. And you can see you have such a professional logo automatically generated using Tailor Brands. Now, not only can you do this with Tailor Brands, but you can also do this with logomaker.com. So this is a platform that will allow you a bit more customization. So you can go on to logomaker.com, go into their create new design section, and from here you can search for any kind of graphic. So let's say we just want to search for skin cream. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this illustration over here, and now you can move this, and then you can change the background color. You can make a image without backgrounds, you can make a vector design, and you can also, write your own text, shapes, paint bucket, and color the backgrounds, so on and so forth. So this is another amazing way to create a free logo in under 10 minutes as well. You do get a lot more creative hold in Logo Maker. You do get a lot of creative hold in Tailor Brands as well. You can customize it however you want. And with Tailor Brands, not only do they give you a logo, but they show you, the overall scheme, how your brand letters are going to look, how your social media could be styled, how your website could be styled. So that is why Tailor Brands is my number one pick. You can even use Canva to build your own logo. All you need to do is just search for a logo over here, and they will show you so many different logo templates that you can pick out from, and you can get started with any of those templates, or just upload or just get started with your own basic canvas and then begin adding things as you go. So you have so many different options now to create free logos without having to do any creative work yourself. You can use Tailor Brands over and over again until you find the design that you like, and it is free as well. So that is the best part about Tailor Brands. You have your free brand logo, and if you want more customization, you can customize it later on and build as many logos as you would like. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.